Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now here I am at the Goodwill walking around to see what they have. So come on with me guys, I'm so excited. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now make sure and take a moment and head on over to my community tab where there you're going to find the calendar of events for the month of November. And these are all open invitations, collaborations for everybody to enjoy. Okay guys, so if you are trying to grow your channel and you are trying to meet more content creators, then this is the channel for you. Make sure and subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I can't wait to see you there. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.